right, let's get started. I've got a blank presentation here. I'm going to go to Uploads. I've tucked away this photo here from one of my recent Greek vacations, and I'm going to just take them on here and, size them up to a decent portion of the screen. All right, now what we want to do is we want to create the effect of a faded circular image going around here. Believe it or not, we're going to do that by using a rectangle. There we go. I'm just going to grab that. And what I want to do, I'm going to go and make it, slightly larger than the picture. We might have to adjust this just a little bit. We'll go up here now, and I'm just going to select some random gradient. Okay. We'll go back to the selection. And what we want to do is we want to select the circular gradient. And we're going to add 5 more colors to it. All right. And each of these now we're going to make white. And the first 2 we are going to make completely transparent. Go like that. And then these last ones will make the same color to match the background. Right, so right now the background is white. So we'll just match that up, and we'll match that up. And we can match that up. Okay, now you can see we got a little bit of choppiness up here at the top of our picture. We can adjust that by moving that down a little bit. We can tighten up the gradient square just a little bit. And there you go. Perfect. Let's take a quick look at it in presentation mode. And you can see you get a very, very nice fade effect that allows you to create some more interest and design into your product. All right, hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. We look forward to talking to you next time. Bye. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe.